Right, more than 2,000 followers of GISB Holdings Sdn Bhd have registered for the Faith Restoration Program run by government agencies, including the Selangor State Government since December last year. Selangor Islamic Religious Council Chairman Tan Sri Abdul Aziz Muhammad Yusof stated that this number includes over 1,300 children under the age of 17 and around 700 adults who voluntarily agreed to participate in the rehabilitation program.
According to Abdul Aziz, all of them are registered as Asnaf Riqab, who will be eligible to receive zakat assistance and are given incentives throughout the 2-year program.
2 tahun, ada 4 fasa. Saya terhinggakan daripada kita pemulihan yang asal, sehingga kita pantau mereka, perkembangan mereka sehingga tahun yang kedua. Ya? Jadi maknanya we are very serious di peringkat kajian negeri, agensi kerajaan kajian negeri, MAIS, JAID sebagainya untuk memastikan mereka ini tidak pulang balik ke asal seperti dulu.
Met after the donation of school supplies to 200 GISBH children's ceremony in Shah Alam, Selangor on Saturday, Abdul Aziz also hopes that the public will now accept these former GISBH followers as part of the community so that they are not isolated and neglected. Earlier, 200 children aged 7 to 17 received schooling assistance, including a cash donation of 400 ringgit. In the meantime, Fahmi said the children are former followers of GISBH who were rescued through Operation Global and were then placed in institutions under the Social Welfare Department. They have been claimed by their parents and legal guardians and given the opportunity to attend school after being assessed by JKM.
So ini antara syarat-syarat pelepasan anak-anak ini adalah mereka dimasukkan, syaratnya dimasukkan dan disebut tadi pada beberapa dan penjaga yang ada. So mereka dimasukkan ke sekolah kebangsaan biasa untuk kita integrasikan mereka semua ke dalam masyarakat.
Previously, 560 children were placed in shelters after JKM obtained a temporary custody order from the court for 2 months in accordance with Section 25, Subsection 2A of the Children's Act 2001.